What is going on, y'all? Real quick before we start this video off, just wanted to show you guys something I got for the 340 as well. It's a 6870 turbo with the T51R mod. Pretty much the same thing as my boy's Johnny that you guys are going to see in this video. So make sure to go check out Johnny's Instagram if you guys want to see more clips of his car. He just got it done like a day or two ago. This is my first ride in a big turbo B58, so I'm super excited, especially because I'm doing like the same thing with my car. But as y'all can see, this is just a turbo. I'm still waiting for the kit to come in. I got the motive reflex right here and both wastegates because my manifold is a dual wastegate. And then I'll need to get like some injectors, a custom tune, so it will take a while to get everything all done. But got some carbon stuff over here as well. This is a PSM trunk clip. Not even sure if I'm gonna put this on. I think it's a little bit too aggressive. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Huge things coming with the car. Super excited and nervous at the same time because it's not like some hybrid that you just put in the stock location. So I know it's going to be a little hassle to get on because I'm going to be doing the install mostly myself with the help from some of my boys. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video and go ahead and check out Johnny's Instagram also if you guys want to see more clips off his car. Hey, there's somewhere in this parking lot. I'm kind of just doing laps around until I see them. Hey, it's raining like crazy too, bro. Like every single day. I see that 340. Looking all nice. It's just missing that turbo too. Got some big turbo stuff over here. This Jenny is making like 700 wheel, bro. This is Johnny's 340. That thing looks insane, yo. Looks fucking crazy, bro.
You gotta hit the action light.
Yes, sir. You ready to hit it?
Yeah, we gotta hit it.
All right, bet.
Here.
Bro, that shit's loud as fuck. Yo. Bro, in person it's different. Camera doesn't do justice.
No, the videos that I sent you before.
Bro, it does not.
Yeah, you heard how loud that is.
Sounds like a fucking jet, bro. Yo.
Bro, it's cooked.
God damn.
It's crazy. Dude, the rain's so crazy because I wish I could just have all the windows open.
Yeah, you hear that? We love
That's when you really hear it.
The car itself though sounds different, bro. Just so even different. Rolling like this is way different.
So different, bro. It doesn't even sound like a B58.
Nah, that's a freaking rocket. Bro, this is a whole different car from what I was just driving, like my shit. This shit pulls, yeah. And it's raining.
And it's raining. You can't even really hear it though. Dude, when it's not raining and there's no like sound and just quiet in the car, you can hear the T51R so audibly.
Because even in the video I was hearing it, so imagine in person.
Like, you might get a little wet.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's just straight whistling.
Straight whistling, bro.
No. Yeah, no, it's different with the window down.
That's what I'm saying.
You be having fun, bro.
Yeah.
I bet.
My tuner got the 93 dials, right? So
yeah.
like, I'm having fun, bro.
Yesterday it wasn't raining too bad though. You took it for a spin?
Yeah, I was figuring shit out. Yeah, I was figuring things out, and then I finally got everything sorted at like 8 p.m., bro.
Shooting some fat flames too.
Dude, so like in between shifts, if you let off and shift up at the same time, sometimes it'll give off like a big ass bang.
Oh yeah, that's a flame. That's a flame.
It's gotta be for sure. But like, I'm just chilling out on that, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Especially when you go on E. It's just pump gas right now.
Yeah.
That E's gonna wake it up, bro. Yeah, that should move, and it pulls different.
Dude, it pulls so different, bro.
Now I'm super excited, bro.
Yeah, and after hearing that anti-lag.
The next day.
Look what we got out here. My car, the stock turbo.
That car's called Black Power.
It will be soon, though.
White Power, Black Power.
We got Johnny's 340. So this is essentially exactly what I'm gonna be doing.
Yeah,
that's injectors. Don't try to scare me.
Someone's got to get a wrench.
But yeah, this is Johnny's car. Pretty much the same thing. 6870 top mount with the intake manifold. He got a better fuel pump, but with the port injection, I'm good on my TU pump. Looks crazy though. Crazy fast. He's on E85 right now, making like 700, something like that. Then we have Kyle over here. This crazy ass Supra. Just puts everything to shame, bro. This thing is so clean. Yeah, Kyle's making like 1600 wheel. So this thing's no joke, bro. I know it doesn't look like it, but you know, from the outside it looks all stock, like your normal 2J. But once you see that engine bay, it's crazy. These cars are nice. Johnny got the Vanish plate. It's not even on. Same with me. I got one more in stock. If y'all want to grab it, check out the link in the description. I'm going to be restocking though, but yes sir. We're going to go for a little cruise all together. Throw my GoPro on. And hopefully I can get a pull in Johnny's car today. Like a proper pull. I haven't gotten a proper pull with the top mount yet. Y'all saw that last clip. It was raining and all, so we'll probably go back out today, and maybe I can get a rip in Kyle's. Who knows? But bro, Kyle's car is actually scary. It's the first car that genuinely scared me. You can't even explain what, and it was on 1200 wheel. You can't even explain what that feels like. So yeah, we'll see. I need to clean my engine bay, but I'm waiting for my intake manifold, my turbo kit. The turbo is already here, and yeah, I gotta get a few more things, and we're gonna be fast like Johnny over here.
Like my ornament though, I drilled through it. Thing on it. It's a memory now.
Get the address.
All right, man. I'll see you there.
All right, and this again, Kyle. Oh my! Now I know what I'm expecting. I'm scared.
What, you've seen it?
You gave me a ride once, remember?
Yeah. But did you see the pole with him in front of me?
Kyle's saying we haven't even hit max boost yet. Max boost is in 5th gear. That is wild, bro.
Yeah, I can probably hit about 45 psi maximum in 4th.
I think I wasn't even recording. Everyone's looking, bro. Oh god, I think I wasn't even recording one of the times. I hope I got the pulls, because I clicked the record button just now and it stopped recording instead of started. So I think I messed something up.
I definitely got some clips though.
Left here?
Yep. I always mess up recording, bro, when it's like the most important ones. Either the GoPro fails me or I just misclick.
It means business.
Man. Does it?
That was 100.
Already. Even the train likes a Supra.
Give me like 4 seconds to spool up. Like a few seconds to spool up and then go.
Once you start spooling, I'll give you the 4. I think the export jumped a little bit. Hey, I want to get a pull in Johnny's car, bro. You got to give me a pull down here. Fucking X-rays fast as shit. What? God damn. I did not expect that. I dead ass thought Johnny was gonna like walk it. It's just downpipe tune ethanol, but it's the X4M though, so. But that's still crazy, bro. Stock turbo. I wonder what ethanol content he's running, because Johnny's on E85 or like E90 pretty much. That's wild.
Okay. Is the play.
Yeah. What ethanol content is he running?
50.
Yeah. That's solid.
So, anti-lag is the play. And like literally, without anti-lag.
Go from 60 with it or?
Yeah.
Try it?
Yeah, let's try it for 60. You want to do it on the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go turn up around here.
Hey, what? I don't even got my seatbelt on. I'm too excited. That sounds fucking crazy.
You gotta do the exact same thing. Like, that was good timing.
Okay.
Who, him? He did. Did you know? You didn't hear it?
I didn't pay attention. Loud, screaming.
You gotta
Okay,
scream
yeah.
it. Okay.
It was good until we left.
Oh shit, hold up.
X3M. This whole time I'm talking about X5.
Ready?
Oh yeah. So second gear at 60, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta get loud.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. They're so even.
Full package.
It's a good race.
And then I'm gonna go into D3 and then we'll try again, see if that does anything.
Okay, okay, yeah.
It went from second.
You got a charger in here by chance, bro?
USB-C?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me hook this up real quick. That just sounds crazy, bro.
It's just pouring down that way. The way buddy's gotta go.
I gotta go that way.
Yeah, I know, that's what I said.
Any amount of rain is not fun.
You should show him what a real motor looks like.
Yeah. That's
Isn't this just crazy, bro? Kyle's calling it the inline 6 gang. Big turbo B58, crazy 2J. Of course, it's a big turbo. Damn. And me here, my stock turbo. I'm pump gas too, bro. I got my jugs back here. I'm grabbing some ethanol though. So I get my ethanol from Kyle as well. So yeah, I'm getting some ethanol. Be back on my E40. I think I can just like dump a full jug in and I'll be close to E40. I don't have my front mount mic set up right now, but yeah, I'll set that up in the POV later. I know the wind's gonna be so bad. Hey, y'all gonna have to bear with me in the wind, bro. I can't have this window up because these cars sound too good. I can barely hang. What the fuck? That boy's fast. Stuff like this made me want my turbo even more. That boy's fast as fuck. It's starting to rain, bro. Me and Johnny don't even got to worry about the rain. X-Drive got us, but Kyle's thing, not in the rain, yo. Grabbing ethanol too. Bro, I can't keep up for shit.
No?
Nah. When y'all got on it, I was left in the dust, G.
I think he was having some trouble.
Johnny? Yeah, he's having problems. He can't keep up, but I'm like, he can more hang than I can. I'm like way back.
I just gotta grab my drill from inside the house.
Okay, for sure, for sure. She still looks real good though. W spot. Boy
Good.
Mosquitoes, bro.
Okay, what am I getting? 1, 2, 3, 75. 1, 4, 7, 7.
Cocksucker, tell your friends.
I
I'm
tell
back
all
on
my
the
friends,
manual
bro.
pump.
Yeah, I can't.
Drink up, boy. This is E98 by the way, so I'm on like 3/4 of pump gas. This is like 17 liters of the E98. I think that should give me around E40. I think I'm gonna get a little bit low though, probably like E35 or something. Look at this. These aren't even for these wheels actually. I got some new wheels coming in, but I just slapped them on here temporarily. Sounds full. Bro, the mosquitoes are crazy. No. Seems like she full. Alright. By the way, just a quick word of the day. I'm gonna drop some motivation on y'all. If you guys see any of this and you like it, I mean, if you're watching this video, you obviously do, and you know, you probably don't have a car yet, or you don't have the car you want, just know that it's possible, bro, because 2 years ago, if y'all have been watching me, you saw I had the Lexus. I never thought I would even lower a car to begin with. Like, the thought of that, I was like, nah, bro, that's too much. And then onto the 335, I did the springs, got the 340 now. This shit's on coils. And even thinking of coils, I never thought that would be possible, bro. Even just to tune a car, I used to think that was just like something that's not for me, you know. I used to think it's not possible, or I couldn't do it, you know what I mean? And now we out here. I mean, it's nothing crazy yet. I don't got a Supra, but you know, definitely I'm learning, bro. My turbo kit's here, and you know, we're just going deeper and deeper into car stuff, and I'm closer to where I want to be than I've ever been. So if y'all want something, bro, just stick to it. If you're obsessed over it long enough, it will work out. I know y'all are thinking, bro, how am I gonna get the money? How am I do this? How am I gonna do that? If you're obsessed long enough, you'll figure out a way. I promise you. So just stick to it, G. And yeah, it's possible for sure. Y'all stay tuned. A lot of things coming with the 340. I just checked, it's right on full. So hopefully that's around E40. Probably go get a rip with Kyle because Johnny has to go. But we'll see, we'll see. Try to get some clips for y'all. And we on the E40 going back. So hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I just gotta say, just stay true to yourself, bro. And it's possible, you know. I don't want to sound like I'm talking all this shit. I only got a 340, by the way. And it's only stage 2 right now. And that might sound crazy to some of y'all. Some of y'all have crazy cars already, but you know, just stick to it. That's all I can say.